Hey guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia, and today I am here to share with you a quick tip on how to make this treat bag. Now I made this treat bag very simply using half a sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So for both of these come from the Come Together designer series paper from the Stampin' Up! 2019 holiday catalogue, and I just wanted a quick video to show you how quick and easy it is just to make the shell of the treat bag. So I've got this pumpkin paper here, and I'm just going to use a trimmer upside down. So I'm going to cut this in half at 6 inches. And while I'm here, I'm going to pull it across to 1/2 inch and score. So score the whole way along. So you could do this with a bone folder. It just happens I have a scoring blade. And then I'm going to make 2 other score lines. One at 3.5 inches. And the other one at 3 inches. And then all I've got to do is a touch of trimming just to create. So this is the 3-inch score line, and now I'm just going to create this bottom flap for the card, or for the treat bag rather. And what I'm going to do is pop this back. I know the lines are very, very hard to see, but maybe you might be able to see them on the back. So on that 1/2 inch line, I don't think I scored. I scored the other side. That's why I can't see the score line. So at 1/2 inch, I am going to cut up to this line. Sorry, just let me reline myself up here. Okay, so 1/2 inch, I'm going to go up to this score line. I have gone a touch over. That doesn't matter too much. And then I should have kept this lined up. And then I'm going to come down to just a touch further to this score line. So then I'm going to take my paper snips, and I'm just going to angle cut, pop the trimmer out of the way because we have totally finished with that. So I'm just going to cut in on an angle here and on the other side as well. And I'm going to discard these 2 pieces. Now I just made these measurements up as I was making this original treat bag, and now I'm just going to come in with my bone folder and just burnish all 3 folded edges. So just make sure everything's nice and straight. Open this up and pop this edge up too. Okay, so now that all those edges are burnished, I now need to add adhesive, and the best adhesive I have found is our tear and tape. So I'm just going to grab a length on the edge on the inside of the flap that comes up. I'll show you on this flap that comes up at the bottom. Now I just find it a bit easier for me and my hands to just snip the edge And then I've got 2 more pieces to go. I'm going to put one on this edge and I'm going to put one on this edge. So when it folds over, both these edges are adhered down. So I always make sure that I fold, and that's the end of that tear and tape. Just let me grab another one. Lucky I had one off to the side here. Always the way when you do a video. Lucky I do these real time. And you get it warts and all. So just tape on the inside here and grab back in, if I can get my hands in it. Pop that in there, and then on this facing side. Just pop, I want to grab these edges. And that edge. It's all sticking to me, as all good adhesive should. Okay, and we are just going to snip this off at the edge, and that is all our adhesive down. So we are going to do our 2 sides to create the bag first. So grab the backing off both these 2 pieces. So just so you can see, we're going this way and creating the body of the bag. And give that a really nice burnish. You could bring back in your bone folder and give them a nice burnish so the adhesive sticks well. And then just to finish off the bag without decorating it, I'll just grab this final piece of backing off, and you just flip this up, and I will give this another fold and burnish, and that just makes it so you can't put your hand all the way through the bag and closes the bottom. And that is a very simple treat bag made from a piece of 6x12 paper. Now, if you want the final dimensions, the front is 5.5 inches by 6 tall. And this is one that I have decorated. I will link to my blog post below in the comments if you'd like to see how I decorated this. I hope you give making your own gift bag a go, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Any questions, please also leave them below. Thank you so much for watching this quick tip video, and hope to see you soon. Bye.